Yo, what is up, YouTube? When he back to watch more Chainsaw Man. This is episode 10, titled Bruised and Battered. Ready to get this thing going. I don't know what else to say, man. I'm loving the show. It's fucking fantastic. I love the animation, love the storytelling, going back to the animation. Wow, on the animation. Fuck, that shit is just beautiful. It's immaculate. Best way to put it. And yeah, I'm loving the story itself too, man. It's just like we lost Himeno, and Kobeni has fucking leveled up. Denji is, I mean, he's target. He's prime real estate, and Miss Makima can do really cool shit from like far away and like kill people. She's very much OP from what I'm understanding. And Aki, yeah, Aki is not gonna be happy when he wakes up. He's lost a lot of life because of that sword he used, and you know his friend's gone. And easy to take, right? His partner, and she loved him. She wanted to get with him, from what I understood. But let's get this thing going. Thank you again for watching with me. Please comment, like, subscribe, with the bell for notifications. The uncovered this will be available on Patreon. Thank you. Bye. like brother and sister fighting. Ooh, that's gonna hurt to hear, bro. Yeah, he's too terrified to do anything anymore. Like, it's done. He needs somebody to talk to, man. Don't just leave like that, bro. He just lost someone. I'm sorry for laughing at that. That's just kind of fucked up, bro. He just came in, was like, yeah, he's fine. Here's an apple. And he's just like mentally fucking distraught right now. Like, just distraught. Oh, wow. Goes right for the cigarettes. He's like, fuck it. I'm gonna die anyway. Might as well enjoy this pleasure. It's really cool how the flame looks out. Yeah, he's hurting, bro. He just lost, like, someone that loved him. And what was the last word he said? Cry for me. I need someone, like, he needs to be alive. There we go. There goes his fucking tears. Holy shit. This is exactly what Himeno wanted, right? Wow. Man. Putting a lot more depth in these characters. That's how detached this man is, bro. Was it the demon? Or was it you always like that, buddy? Damn. Were those the right answers? Oh, wow. He sounds like a Jiraiya, except for the demon's part. Jeez, he's strong, bro. What do you got in him?
お前たちの筋肉と骨の仕組みは俺たちと同じだ。首の骨を折れば動けなくなる。血を飲めば復活するとこだな。
何しやがるてめえ。
Yeah, dude, the fuck.
マキメにお前たちを鍛えてくれと頼まれた。俺は最強のデビルハンターだ。最強の俺を倒せる悪魔は最強なわけだから、お前たちが俺を倒せるようになるまで俺はお前たちを狩り続ける。
こいつ頭が終わっておる。
も
That's a really crazy one, sir. They're gonna hunt him.
天使
See what this guy's made of. Bro, he fucking stabbed so hard, like, you couldn't even see that shit. He was like... Who is this guy? Love this shit! Bro, he's using a knife, and he's, like, up close, like, handheld. Look at how small that knife is, bro. That's, like, such a short distance.
二人に人権はない。俺はガキの頃から力が強くておもちゃをすぐ壊しちまう。お前たちを最高に生かした奴らにしてやるよ。
Jesus. He's gone.
ほら、出てけえへんやろ。君は狐を無茶に使って嫌われた。もう二度と狐は使わせてもらえへんやろうね。
やめへんならもっと強い悪魔と契約して得意化に貢献してもらわなあかんみたいです。
バディを殺したやつもまだ生きてる。なのになんでやめれるんですか？
Who this be? Who that be?
寝るから帰る。明日家に迎えに行くからな。
Those two, they just got destroyed. That's not gonna help him. Bashing his head in. What? Yes, it does. The fuck? These two.
俺は今日何回殺された
20回以上じゃ。ウヌが死んだ時、だいたいわしも気絶してるから、正確にはわからん。
Jesus, dude. They're just gonna walk back home, okay?
俺たちのおもちゃ扱いしやがってよ。
超強いが。じゃが、酒で頭がダメになっておる。わしらは頭を使って戦えばいいんじゃ。
なるほどな。
とかの頭いいキャラみてえに戦えたらいいな。
あいつをぶっ殺すか。
なんか俺すげえ頭良くなってきた気がするぜ。
This song's good. Play some of that fucking big room, progressive house shit. Damn, bro, he's fucking ridiculous. They try to wear glasses to look smart. They just...
今回の敗因は2つ。パワーは今の戦い方だと血を使いすぎて本体が貧血になることとレンジが俺の攻撃を予測できなかったところだ。今回は良かったからもう終わりだ。俺は飲みに行く。
もう終わりだって。
キーじゃ。
Damn.
あの言葉を信用するな。
I guess they're not done for the day. They're not. It's like the episode's about to end here, almost. Sucks.
強い悪魔と契約してもらうっちゅうことは結構むごい契約内容になると思いますけど、関係ないっすけど、昨日の美人彼女さんですか？
すぐそういう話やめな。
バディの妹の方です。
あらら、じゃあ殴られま
Oh,
した。
damn.
いえ、手紙をもらいました。
私宛てに姉から送られてきた手紙です。あなたが読むべきなのでお渡しします。
Damn, I can't read Japanese, bro. Damn. She was really, really into him, bro. She was just like, we can just leave all this and go private.
気に入られれば安く済みますよ。じゃあどうぞ。
The episode's about to finish, man. I hate when this shit happens. That's freaky. Know it. I want to see what this. Look at those doggos. Look like young mission boys. This is nice. I like this. I have loved every one of their little fucking things they do, and the Pochita stuff is pretty sick. Okay, let's just kind of like talk about this stuff. So this is the aftermath of like, you know, what happened with the Order 66 of Division 4. Basically, all of them got fucking slaughtered by the Gun Devil and his cohorts. You know, I think the parts that really stuck out to me the most, especially in this, was the beginning. Just seeing how Denji was handling the whole situation compared to like, you know, Aki. I don't know what to think about Denji. I really, maybe some of his heart did disappear, or maybe he's always kind of been like that, man. Like, you know, the way that he was living and the way that he was treated for a long time. I mean, all those years of just being the way he was, growing up, not knowing how to live a normal life, like bathing, eating properly, and just not having anyone there but this devil that was his pet. It'll put a toll on a human being, you know? I mean, maybe all that shit did make him numb. Maybe it's not the fact that he has Pochita in him and like he's who he is right now. It could be something that's always been there. I thought that was really interesting when he was like, you know, how would he feel if Aki died, if Power died, and he just, you know, he's not crying. And even with Himeno, like, you know, he just didn't feel any tears, even though Himeno was trying to be his friend and just be there for him, and he couldn't shed a tear. So yeah, I hope we get more of an answer to that. I mean, it's a really good question to ponder. You know, does he really feel like that? Is it because, I mean, we know he feels it, but is it because of like the devil within him, or is it because of you know, the way he's always been? Seeing Aki cry, it solidified just me just enjoying him more and more. I really, really fuck with Aki. Aki's dope. Aki is amazing. I love how they came down on him. They were like, look, you don't have that much time left probably. You lost your other demon, Cone, he's gone. You need to get another one. Like, what do you want to do? Do you want to stay here forever? You know, you can go private and survive. And his response was just perfect. Like, dude, that thing killed my family and my partner. I'm good. Let's go. Aki being bad. And now he has to go talk to the devil of the future devil or whatever. And it had I wonder what the contract's going to be, because he doesn't have that much left to give. Like, what? He's going to give away his arms and his legs? His eyesight? I don't know, man. It's just a lot to give up. Also, we were introduced to the new sensei. I don't know his name, but it reminds me a little bit of a Jiraiya. I think the only thing that reminds me of Jiraiya of him is just because as far as personality, completely different. But drinking of the booze and drinking and women, killing demons. Yeah, you know, I see the similarities on that thing. But this dude is ridiculous. The way he just like handled these two, it's kind of nuts. Like just slaughtered them every time. They die like 20 times. I love how Power and Denji just like banded together at the end. They were like, we gotta work together to take him out. Yeah, we just can't allow this to happen. And their whole ambush just failed miserably. And the training is definitely not done. I'm loving Power and Denji's, I guess, relationship so far. You know, it's just it reminds me of good friends, brother sister type. Even though he did feel up on her boobs, but yeah, man, excited for the next one. This show is definitely doing its work on me. I'm loving it. And yeah, man, I'll see y'all next time. Thank y'all for watching me. I appreciate you, love you. Like I always say before I leave my reactions, please take care of yourself, your families. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.